Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2016 Honda CB500X. This adventure style bike has just under 4,900 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you and we'll fire it up. This 500X is all stock. Got a small imperfection there on the front fender, as well as some scratches here on the top of the tank. My hand out of the way there. You can see a few of them. Like I said, stock, just waiting to be accessorized. Alright. There we go. 4842 is what's on it. This 2016 CB500X will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.